Alright guys, and welcome back. As you guys could see that the engine right over here, the VR6, is on the engine stand. And why? I'll tell you that right now, because basically, let's make the long story short, I broke the engine in wrong because I was using the wrong oil. So basically the oil rings didn't basically break in how they're supposed to. So basically I was burning 1 quart of oil every 3 days or every 2 days, I believe it was, can't remember anymore. So basically I had to take it back to the machine shop. They had to take it apart and put new rings in there, and now basically we have to put it together. So I got the head is right over here. They checked the head too, basically putting the whole engine together. I got the turbo, I got all the stuff that I need right here, the timing, every single thing right here, right there, and right here also. So basically let's get to work. All right guys, so now got the bolts off, and there you go. This is how it looks like. If you guys didn't see how the VR6 look like from the bottom, this is how it looks like right here. I've got the ARP main bolts. Yup, nice, very nice, clean, very clean. Man, moves very smooth with one arm. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, now so let's start putting everything together. All right guys, this is much better. Brought a table, put everything on the table, so I won't be able to miss anything, because this is what I got back from the machine shop. They put everything in baggies, and I'm like, this is very wonderful, because now I have to fucking look everything up, how to put it together. But sort of I know how to put it together, so I don't think it should be a problem. But if I'm gonna run into a problem, I'm gonna look it up and check everything out. You know, I don't want to mess anything up putting it together. So there you go. So now what we're going to be doing is putting the shaft in with all these components right here, and these 2 screws basically going inside this hole right here, right there, right here. Perfect. So that's where it's going to go. And then after we put this in, we could put the oil pump in with this extension right here with this o-ring. And so I need to find 2 bolts for here. They're probably somewhere in one of these baggies. I think it's this one right here. Yeah, this is it. Nope. Yeah, this is it. There's 4 of them in here. Okay, so this should be it for the 2 bolts right here, and for 2 bolts that go right here in this block. Perfect. So, all right, guys, got the oil pump on, screwed on to spec right here, and now I put the front seal flange on with the not the bearing, with the seal right there. Got the crank pulley right here with the bolt I'm gonna put on later. All right guys, got the water pump on, got it torqued. I put the crank pulley on, but I still didn't torque it to spec yet. I'm just gonna keep it like this for now, because when I'm gonna be putting the back together, I want to, you know, do the timing when I put the head on and everything. So I'm going to keep that in here just for now. And now basically I'm going to start working on the back, guys. So with this timing, I'm not going to do the timing yet. I'm going to put the head on, so then I could basically do the whole timing together instead of just doing the bottom piece. So I got the ARP head studs right over here, same thing, washers and the nuts, and the OEM head gasket. So the OEM head gasket is going to go right on the top, just like that. Bam. Beautiful. Alright guys, so it's day 2. Yesterday we actually finished torquing down the head, and today I'm basically gonna torque down the cam caps, and then we're gonna start doing the timing in the back right over here. Yep. Right here. Bang bang. Beautiful, beautiful. Best of the best. So now I'm basically gonna put the timing tensioner in right over here. So basically we gotta take this and put it down. Give me a minute. There you go. I'm gonna try to do this nice and easy right over here. Oh, it's not that easy. All right, beautiful. Basically right now we got the whole timing put together except the tensioner on the top over here, but before we put that on, obviously we got to put the covers on. So I'm basically going to brake clean everything before we put everything on. Voila. And she'll be good, just like that. Perfect. Beautiful. Now let's wait until it dries up. We got the covers right over here. We got to prep them up. All right, here with the bolts. There you go. Man, I got to clean this table up. And then where's the top one? The top one is right here with this tensioner. Bam. So let's put the bottom one on first, and then we're going to do the top one. So we got basically the whole timing covers on the top and the bottom. Everything is torqued to spec. Hopefully everything's gonna be okay. We got Simon, my buddy over here, helping me out today. Say what's up.
How we doing?
Yeah, there you go. All right, so now he's gonna gap the spark plugs. We're gonna screw them into the head, and then we're gonna put the valve cover on. After the valve cover, we're gonna tip the engine over. We're gonna put the oil pan on, and then we're gonna start putting the adapter plate from the VR5, and then the flywheel, and blah 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 blah. All right guys, so now basically we are ready to put the oil pan on. Basically that's the last thing that we gotta do, the oil pan, and still we gotta torque this this bolt over here by the crank pulley right in front of the engine. Basically we got the motor mount over here on this side bolted up. We still got to put the filter in here, and over here we got the phantom one. It's laying somewhere over here. Oh, it's laying right there, but we won't be able to put it on because it's on a stand. So after we bolt everything together, we're gonna put it on the jack. We're gonna pull it out, unscrew these 4 bolts, and then we're gonna put the bracket over here, and basically after that she is ready to go in there in the B5. So yes, all my friends just went to get some food because we are hungry, and after they come back we eat, get some more energy. Alright guys, so this is day 3, and I just primed the fuel pump to see if there's no fuel leaks right over here on the injectors. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's actually the other way around, whatever. Yeah, so you guys get the idea. I basically primed the fuel pump with this right here. I just basically take it, bam, pump it up, getting the fuel pressure up to 50 psi, and no fuel leaks. No fuel leaks. Same thing over here. Nada. Beautiful. I don't smell no fuel, so that's good. Beautiful, beautiful. 50 psi. There you go. Alright, so we don't need this no more. Alright, so basically now we're ready to put on the intake manifold. That's right over here. We got the gasket, 5mm gasket right here, all the way from Europe. Bam. Keeps the heat off, just a little bit off the intake manifold. And the throttle body, the adapter that we did with my brother Richie right here, we welded. Looks really nice. Yeah, you guys probably seen it in the other videos that I have. And yeah, ready to rock and roll. Beauty. Alright, so the harness is basically plugged in. I got everything plugged in over here on this side, and then on this side also I got the starter on with the from the battery and the signal wire, and I got the tensioner on with the belt right over here. And basically now what we need to do is basically take and pour in this braking oil that I got, Ames oil. I'm gonna be doing that right now. I got a whole box right over here. I bought it yesterday, and we're gonna be ready to pour in. After we pour the oil in, basically I disconnected the fuel pump, so we're gonna be cranking it a couple times to see if we're gonna get oil pressure. And this is the feed line for the turbo. Probably oh, look at that. I got an empty beer bottle. My friends were here yesterday. You guys seen, we were kind of drinking and stuff. So hopefully this is gonna go in. Hopefully it will. If not, then we'll see. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Bam. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. It went in. And voila. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's do this. All right, guys. So I want to show you that we got oil pressure. Bang, I started the engine already, so it runs. So I want to show you guys before we put the whole turbo kit on and everything. So watch closely and listen. Beautiful. Alright guys, so I got to my brother's house. You guys could see that I put the entire car together. I already made probably around 50 miles, and so far so good. There's no leakage. There was only one leak over there by the return line from the turbo, but that's basically it. The coolant level is perfectly good. And now basically we gotta drive it, break in the engine, and yeah, that should be it. What's good, Jacob?
What's up?
How you doing today?
Good.
Good. All right, that's good. That's good. All
Sounds
right.
healthier.
Huh?
Sounds healthier.
I hope so, man. Seriously. Oh, by the way, guys, look at the license plate. Damn, a VR6. Woo! Oh man, she talking nice. She talking nice.